Okay, welcome to the chapter on describing data. So we are in the descriptive statistics portion of the class. Later in this course, we'll be dealing with inferential statistics. That is where we can make much more powerful statements about our data. Right now, what we're really trying to do is describe our data. So that's really what we're looking at here. So I'm going to go into for starters. We go into Introduction to StatCrunch. So I've made a video here just introducing StatCrunch to you so that you'll know the basics of how to get around in StatCrunch, and you can use it for doing basic homework problems. You'll definitely be using it in your video project. Okay, so then we hit next, and you can see we now have the Chapter 2 notes. So what you'll do is you'll print this out, and then you'll fill this out as you work your way through the chapter. So you've got some terms to define, you've got some spaces to fill in here, like fill in the blank, basically, right? What kind of data gets used in a histogram? What kind of data gets used in a bar chart? So answer these questions, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come back here, and you're going to upload those completed notes with good answers, right? Make sure you've answered things completely at a college level, and you'll upload those. So don't forget to do that. Then we get into the discussion about the Manga Guide to Statistics. So the Manga Guide to Statistics is a nice way to read through and get some information about statistics. It's much more enjoyable than reading, say, a textbook. I've gotten very good feedback from my students that they really prefer to absorb their statistics in this way. It's a lot nicer than the textbook. You should be reading the ebook as well, but this part's a little more enjoyable, and it gives you a little more context for when you might use some of this kind of stuff. Most people seem to like it. So what you're going to do here is you're going to read through Chapter 1 of the Manga Guide to Statistics, and then you're going to answer these questions down here. Then you've got a video lesson. So basically what you're going to do here is you're going to watch the portions of these videos that I have specified. So this first video is, you don't watch the whole thing. You just watch up to 1 hour and 4 minutes. See how I have it labeled here. If you want to know how to use your TI-84, you can watch the rest of the video, but you don't need to watch the whole video. We use TI-84's lesson statistics. The second video you're going to watch from the beginning to 21 minutes 37 seconds, and then you're going to pick it back up again at 1 hour 10 minutes and 58 seconds and watch to 1 hour 39 minutes and 47 seconds. So you see how it is. I've picked out specific portions of these videos that you should watch. You don't have to watch the entire thing. Just watch the portions that I have listed here. Although for this last one, you should watch the entire video. So what you're going to do is watch those 3 videos, and you're going to take good quality college level notes. Everyone does their notes a little bit differently. I understand that, but I should be able to look at your notes. It should be clear that you watch the videos. It should be clear that you understand what's happening. So, take decent enough notes that you're following what's happening. And then you're going to submit those notes. Now, this is important. You're going to submit your notes as a single file. I only grade the first file submitted. So if you give me 10 different files, one of each page of your notes, I'm only going to grade the first one. So that sounds kind of harsh, but it's not too bad, because what you can do is you can use an app where you basically take a photo of all 10 of your pages. It will create a single file for you, and then you just submit it here. So Genius Scan is a free way to do that. It's got an app on whichever kind of phone you have. Assuming you have, a modern phone, you can use an app for that. You're just going to go through, take pictures of each page of notes. It will create a single file, and then you just submit it here to You'll come back and you'll submit it here by the due date in order to get credit for that, and then I can see that you've taken proper notes. Again, college level notes showing me that you've watched the videos and that you understand. And then those notes are going to help you throughout the course. Then we're going to return to the Manga Guide to Statistics, and you're going to read Chapter 2, and then you're going to answer some questions, respond to other students. Then we've got the question and answer discussion at the end. Thank you, and as always, if you have any questions, let me know.